how to log in into National Student Loan Account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Kate here, and on today's video I will guide you how you can log in into your National Student Loan Account. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up your preferred browser in your laptop. Navigate to the search bar and then type in National Student Loan Login. Press enter in your keyboard. After that, head over to the first link on your interface, that is National Student Loans Service Center. So click on it. That's gonna land you to their official website. Now to log in, there is a login button right here at your right hand side at the top corner. Click on login. Once you're here, scroll down a bit. Now, in order to sign in, you have all of these options here. So according to your account, you have to select one from here, whether you want to sign in using your GC key username and password, or if it is a provincial sign in or other Interac sign in partner. So here you have to go with the one option. Here I will just go with the username and password. Now you'll be taken into sign in page. Here you have to enter your username that is associated with your account. Enter your correct username. Under that, enter your password. Make sure you type in your correct password. In case if you forgot your account credential, there is a link available here. Click on here and that's gonna help you recover your account. Once you're done entering your login credential, all you have to do is click on sign in button, and with that you'll be logged in into your account. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.